welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Onuk, and if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe. If this is not your first time stopping by and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. So today I am doing what is on my face, and this is the nude makeup look. So I'm just going to show you guys how I actually achieved this on my face. This is so easy, so simple. It's a cut crease with a very natural lash, and my lip, I rarely do nude, but like this one is top notch. So if you want to see this tutorial, let's head into the video. So I'm going to use the Pond's Oil Vanishing Cream, and I'm just going to use that around my T-zone because that's where I break out mostly. I did my brows off camera, so now I'm going to go in with my eyes, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, I guess, yeah, in Toffee to prime my lid. I'm just going to blend that out before I go into my Zickel powder palette, and I'm going to use the white powder there as my translucent powder to set my lid. Then I'm going to go with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using those 3 brown colors as my transition color. After that, I'm going to take that black color and I'm using it to darken my crease so that my crease will have more definition. Okay, before we go on, please let's talk about my brows. My brows are actually not this big as it looks in the camera. Like in the mirror, it looks small. When I look at the camera, my brows look big. I'm like, what's on my eye, man? But definitely, I think I'm going to do something about it when I'm done with the makeup. So let's continue the makeup. Just try and ignore the brows and how humongous they look. Point? Okay. So after that, I'm just going to cut my crease, and I'm doing the half cut crease. I'm cutting my crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige because it's lighter, so it's just going to make my eyeshadow pop the more. Then I'm going to go with my Zickel powder palette, and I'm going to use the white translucent powder there, and I'm just going to use that to set my lid. After that, I'm going to use that off-white color, and I'm just going to place it on my cut crease, like the crease I cut out. I'm just going to place it there. I'm going to place it as many times as I can so that I'll have more pigmentation. I would later take the brown eyeshadow to darken the outer corner of my eyelid. After that, I'll still go in with the white eyeshadow just to create more pigmentation. This is me doing the same thing on the second eye. So the same step I did on the first eye is what I'll repeat on the second eye. Then this is the glitter eyeliner. So I'm just going to place that on top of the cut crease so that the cut crease will pop more. As you can see, it's already popping. So I'm just going to place the glitter eyeliner on there. After that, I'm going to line my eyelid, and I'm using the liquid liner just to line it. After that, I'll go with my lashes, and I'm using the V lashes. So I'm just going to define my eyeshadow, cleaning off every excess product at the corners of my eyes. And then I'll go with my NYX Born to Glow, and I'm just going to use that as a base all over my face. After that, I'll go in with my Fenty foundation, and that's the Fenty foundation in 450. I'm going to just blend that everywhere on my face to create this even look. And don't you guys know this foundation is bae? So I'm just going to this is me using my flat brush to just blend out every part of my face in which the big brush couldn't blend. Hope you all know you have to remove every hollowness from your brows. Then I'm going to highlight my face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. I'm just going to highlight my face with that, and then I'll blend everything out. After I blend everything out with my beauty blender, I'm going to go with my foundation brush and blend it out so that I'll have this even look and with no harsh lines. I'm just going to go into my powder palette, then I'll take the cream to powder foundation. I'm just going to use that to contour my face a little bit. Then I'll go into my Zaron loose powder, and I'm going to use that to set my highlights. After that, I'm going to contour my nose with a powder slightly darker than me. After that, I'll set my contour with a powder slightly darker than my shade of powder. Then I'm going to go with my shade of powder just to wipe away the excess powder from my face. This creates a smoother and a more matte finish look. After that, I'll just blend the two powders, and then I'm just going to use that all over my face so that I won't have any harsh line or whatnot. After this step, I'm going to go in with my Mabruk pencil, and I'm going to use that on my lower lid. Then I'll go in with my blush, and I'm using the Just Gold blush. It has this very warm effect, so I'm just going to use that on my cheek just to make my cheek pop the more. As usual, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Palette, and I'm just going to add the subtle highlights on my face. I just need this healthy glow. I don't want something too shouty because this is a subtle look. So the highlight I'm just going to place on my face is going to be very subtle, nothing harsh, nothing dangerous. Then I'm going to line my lips with the Davis lip liner. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty lip stain, but I've forgotten not like I've forgotten the name of the lip stain. Actually, the name peeled off, so I actually don't know the name because I have other Huda Beauty lip stains. So I'm going to use that particular lip stain. I'm just going to place it on my lip so that the liner makes my lip look fuller, as you can see. So I'm just going to use the Huda Beauty lip stain on my lip. So this is the final look, guys. How do you guys love this look? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please comment the next look you want to see me do. Till next time, don't forget I love you so much. Bye. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to get this video 20 likes. Thanks a lot. Bye.